The new Dirt Lock scrub wall attachment will quickly and effectively clean your wheel brushes, wash mitts, and any other tools to help prevent any scratches during the wash process. The Dirt Lock scrub wall system attachment works together with the Dirt Lock bucket filter to create a highly pressurized dirt extracting machine, driving debris quickly underneath the screen and ensuring your wash water is the cleanest and safest it can possibly be without taking up hardly any space in the bucket. Our Dirt Lock scrub wall system attachment utilizes fluid dynamics to quickly suck in and trap debris just by rubbing your wash media on the side panels in the bucket. Here's how it works. Simply insert the scrub wall 180 or 360 attachment into your Dirt Lock bucket filter and connect them together. Now fill your bucket with clean water and it's ready to use. Simply scrub your wheel brushes, wash mitts, or any other tools against the sides of the scrub wall, and the soft rounded ridges will knock off any debris and suck it into the back of the chamber. From here, the scrub wall works together with the Dirt Lock bucket filter to create a highly pressurized vacuum that pumps the debris safely below the bottom filter and out of harm's way without a way for it to re-enter the cleaner water. The Dirt Lock scrub wall system is extremely durable and flexible to last you a very long time, making this an extremely affordable, safe, and effective way to wash your vehicle's paintwork and rims without the fear of inducing harmful swirl marks or scratches. Lastly, we compared the difference of a traditional bucket filter and board compared to our Dirt Lock scrub wall system attachment. The Dirt Lock scrub wall is actively pulling and trapping debris behind the chambers and shooting it underneath the screen, providing you a safe, scratch-free wash experience. The next time you wash your vehicle, trust our patented Dirt Lock products to keep it safe. This is the Dirt Lock scrub wall system, and it is a must-have detailing tool for any serious professional. Hey, it's me again. I just wanted to let you know you can also connect other attachments into the Dirt Lock bucket filter, such as our scrub and pump, pad washer, scrub wall, and other future attachments. Find out more by clicking the next video.